Hello guys, today, I will show you how to make an airsoft grenade at home. First, you would need an Easter egg, nail, hammer, BBs, a small balloon, vinegar, and baking soda. First get your Easter egg. Second, open the egg and put baking soda and BBs inside. Third, get a small balloon and fill it with vinegar. By the way, use a funnel in doing this to avoid spilling it. Fourth, put the balloon inside the egg. Fifth, get the top part of the egg and make a hole on it with a nail and a hammer. But make sure it's not deep enough to pop the balloon when you put it together. Sixth, put it back together and watch the magic. Press down the nail or shake the egg to make it explode. By that, the nail will pierce to the balloon, making it pop and allow the vinegar to mix with the baking soda and the chemical reaction happens. This may need further development, but I hope it helps. Any tips to share? I would love to listen. See you next time.